Have you ever wondered how many times can I go back to God with the same sin before He gets tired of me? I'm Pastor Caleb, and in week 10 of Growing a Relationship with God, we're talking about the deepest struggles of repentance. That fear of being not forgiven reveals how I have unconsciously turned God into a scorekeeper. I have made Him a cosmic accountant, calculating if I'm sincere enough for another chance. And when we think God does that, we try to hack the system. We feel bad, say the right words, and promise to do better. Not because we really mean it, but because we just want to get the penalty erased. But here is what the Bible is actually saying. Repentance is not a fine you pay every time you mess up. It is the moment you stop running from God because of what you did. Rather, you turn back toward Him because of who He is. Think about Peter. He denied Jesus 3 times. But when he realized what he did, he didn't draft a careful apology. He just wept. It was raw, unfiltered grief. Not because he got caught, but because he knew exactly who he had hurt. And Jesus didn't cancel him. He found him, restored him, and called him back by name. That's who you're returning to every time you come back. Someone who already paid everything you're too ashamed to bring up again. He has the door open for you. You don't come back to God to erase a penalty. God calls you back to restore your relationship with Him. Are you tired of treating God as an accountant? Share this video with someone who needs this reminder. I'm Pastor Caleb, and this is my take. See you next week.